Halloween is a widely celebrated holiday across the world. People traditionally will go out guising to get sweets from people's houses. Halloween is a Scottish word. It is short for All Hallows Eve, which translates to Summer's End, which marked the end of the summer season and was in preparation for winter. As well as Halloween being celebrated to signify the summer's end, it has another meaning too. It was also seen as the night where you could interact with the dead. The Celts believed that on Halloween ghosts would haunt the villages they once lived in. Bonfires were lit to scare off all the spirits, but now we carve pumpkins and light it up to signify this, although turnips were used traditionally.
Halloween is celebrated because this is thought to have been the day that heavenly ghosts came back down to earth. Halloween has been celebrated for thousands of years. Catholics were the first to start celebrating it. The tradition originated here in Scotland when the ancient Celtic festival Samhain, when people would light bonfires and wear costumes to ward off ghosts. It's a Gaelic festival marking the end of the harvest season and the beginning of winter.
In the 8th century, Pope Gregory III designated November 1st as the time to honour All Saints. Soon All Saints' Day incorporated some of the traditions of Samhain. The evening before was known as All Hallows Eve and later Halloween. Over time, Halloween evolved into the day of activities like guising, wearing costumes, and eating treats. How different cultures around the world celebrate Halloween. In India, children go from house to house for trick-or-treat, whilst the elders of the house go to pray for peace. Everyone dresses up in scary outfits to attend the festivals held. In Italy, children's costume parties are usually held throughout the day of Halloween. Later in the evening, the kids in costumes go out for their version of trick-or-treating. Local shops may give out sweets to the trick-or-treaters in the city centre.
In Halloween in Germany, it's mainly celebrated by adults who dress up and go out to the clubs during Halloween. Pumpkin festivals are popular to celebrate the start of the fall and Halloween for the whole family. So this year we'll be dressing up in costumes and decorating your clan classroom door to make it Halloween themed, and we've also got a task to create a short horror film or a story. For costumes, it's not just a dress down day, so if you choose not to wear a costume, can you please come in your full uniform?
There will be clan points awarded for the best costume, best film or story, and the best door.